ban kham pensuk ya kalet kawan jong di ba ka any right kawan ra shapi ya ka app pathamai ka ba phila ban download na Play Store ka ba kerteng ka any right rider ha kani ka app hidon bon chat ki kali ba phila ban jet kat kum ka jingkwa jong phi kum ka bike ne scooty ka auto rickshaw taxi kamai bat ka tourist taxi ka ba phila ban le chadu Guwahati airport phila ban book lingba kani ka app om tang haslong hanrei ha baro ki district na benda ka jingte pakhambania phone haune number 8416069241 namar ninyo kor ya kapor jongpi
Mi Jyndat kisau ngut ki MLA ke VPP Voice of the People Party Napoh ke Jing Dorbar thau an ke cela kum katak ke Jing Pyrshah ya ke Jing le Deputy Speaker nin ke sengi hak bola ai bor ban Jubab do Rakkam Sangma bade Menteri Ketenaga Pulih Putih hak bau MLA ke Nongkrem constituency ke tau Pak Arden Miller bersayo moj dula karpat yu Speaker pan ailat ban Jubab do Menteri rangpa ke cela lani usembut Menteri rangpa Halor kamat ya tailing kot sepang ke Jing tung kam ya kino hikai hapok dadangre Henry kerpat ya kini sembut menteri ulang bakat kum karul habadon hi menteri jong katai ketenaga trekam habaya tai sepang kata ai ba Jubab hi dau kum tau deputy speaker ru ulah manjur ya kata Jing ong jong ba preston tensong kum tau la ai la do Rakkam Sangma badai menteri ketenaga Pulih Putih ban Jubab Henry Arden ulang bangim kwa ban sengap ya ke jingkran Rakkam ubalong uwei nakinong pen ya syurut jaj penreu habdang ki garo bat khasi kum ban shipmen kan mau ya kini ke jingkran jong Rakkam hakapan ya sngupher jaj penreu ulah keren hakapor ke election MP Lok Sabha kepadang sudaption kumta ke Jing Pyrshah ya ke Jing kerpa dupa Arden Halor ke tei kamat ki MLA ke VPP kilami nak si sendan Napoh ke Jing Dorbar.
Deputy Speaker, sir, yes. As I've mentioned in the start, I would like through you, sir, to request either the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister to address this issue, sir. I will not listen to the Education Minister because the matter against him, sir, is so serious. It attracts Section 196 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So, sir, if the Chief Minister or one of the Deputy Chief Minister is not addressing this issue, I'm not going to listen.
As per our practice,
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for me, let me refer the rule as per Rule 300. And I would like also to refer to Rule 2791 and Subpara 2, which says, a member while speaking shall not make a personal charge against a member. So I thought we'll allow first the Honorable Minister concerned to reply, but since the Honorable Member from Nongkrem constituency, Arden Basamoit, stood up and also reacted to this, I would like to first of all, sir, put things in order because the charges is so personal. So therefore, sir, better we expunge that line wherever he already used, because the
he made a public statement, sir. It is not a personal statement. He made a public statement against us. So the matter is so serious. So if we feel that the government can go ahead and allow him to reply, we are going to walk out, sir. We are not going to compromise. Sir, we don't want to see that there will be a clash between these two communities. His statement, sir, his speech is promoting enmity between the Khasis and the Garos. I don't think we should allow this kind of speech to be encouraged, sir.
Yes, sir, I would like to say like this. I think in the
it is not a personal. It is not a personal. It is a public speech, sir, where he made against us.
I think I would request the honourable member to listen to me also. I think in the statement where he made, the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency has mentioned that FIR has been filed. Okay, if FIR has been filed, so let that course of law carry on. But you bringing here inside the house without any
because he is an
conviction,
we bring it inside the house because he is an MLA.
Allegation. So sir, why should we bring in this issue inside this August
There
house.
should not be no-
That
there
is
should
my point.
not
sir.
be any
so
immunity.
because see, when we are here inside the house, let us be being governed by the rules on this. Sir. This is my only concern. So I would request you, sir, that the statement made by the honourable member, because this is a personal charge, personal charge against the member who happens also to be the minister in the government. Sir.
As per practice, whenever any subject discussion took place regarding one department, the minister in charge of that department concerned will make a reply. So I allow the education minister to make a reply.
Let's walk out. There's no, should be listened.
Deputy Speaker, sir. Educated people never fight. Therefore, we should be educated and should be respected, and we are the good citizens. Educated people never fight. Therefore, we should be educated and should be respected. Sir,
Kalat kamay kumbah news pa tingka hadu siajar tingka sisngi yaki banyak baiknya skuti auto rickshaw taksi kamay bat tourist taksi pila ban download yakni ka app Any Ride Captain na Play Store bat sa pendap yaki Jing.com kum kikot kisla kat kum ke Jing.com lingba ka ni ka app pila ban register na keleng gajaka kabaha papo ke jala Meghalaya na benta ke jingtip bakham bania phone hau new number 84160 69241